inside the city of Madrid. Close to the main trade fair, there was a traditional concrete factory. The concrete aggregates stockpiling method, as well as its traditional dosage, with help of power shovels, were causing serious environmental problems: noise, dust, unexpected movement of heavy vehicles, pollution, negative visual impact. These problems, in addition to the presence of a nearby school, were enough to make the property decide to provide the necessary means to give the factory optimal conditions in every aspect, included the aesthetic ones, for its integration into the urban grid. The challenge: to enhance the capability to make the industrial premises compatible within the life of the urban ecosystem by rationalizing and modernizing the productive process, by integrating the factory in the city in a visual and functional way. The project transforms the extensive stockpiling system into an intensive one by means of vertical silos. A whole new loading system for different fluxes of materials is designed, taking each phase into account, from the arrival at the factory to their pouring into the mixing belts. Everything is enclosed within a special skin to provide a specific urban image and to provide shelter as well, so that the production process will not be interrupted even in adverse climate circumstances. The skin is executed with U-glass in different tones, and it evokes a pixelated image. This image intends to represent an essential property of concrete, which is the union of diverse materials into a new, more resistant and tractable one. Over pile foundations, a supporting structure for the silos was erected. During the night, and with great security measures, the silos were transported in special vehicles. Eight units designed for aggregates, 30 meters high, a 10-story building with a diameter of 4.5 meters, 475 meters cubed of aggregates in each silo, 800 tons when fully loaded. Later, the aggregates mixing belts were executed. In this process, the noises are controlled and the dust generated by manipulation of both the aggregates and the cement is collected and confined. The supporting structure of the skin was made with steel profiles joined with high-resistance screws, as in a mechano game. The construction process was organized in order to allow the usual tasks in concrete batching factory at the same time. All the time both actions were compatible. The urban image of the factory mimetizes with its surroundings, becoming part of the city. All the negative impacts have been solved, noises, dust, and urban image as well. The manufacturing process has been improved, and so the quality of the final product. The energy savings in both the production process and the distribution have been considerable. This has contributed to the real sustainability of the urban ecosystem. The processes of transformation of raw materials have historically formed the city. Today, the city has to restore the industrial activities and adapt them to the urban ecology. The human being has to design the necessary processes for the activities that accompany him throughout history, in order to make them compatible with each other. The concrete is an invention of the human being and an inseparable partner which has helped him to build his cover for centuries, with a beautiful and modern language. The city does not have to relegate the concrete, but to incorporate it as a fundamental piece in the whole design.